Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can draw images by hand in your WhatsApp chats and conversations on PC or laptop. So let us guide you through it. Head over to the WhatsApp application installed on your PC or on your laptop, and after that access one of your chats and conversations. For instance, let me head over to that gaming group here, and as you can see I created already such a smiley here, all handwritten or hand drawn. You can do that as well guys by simply clicking to that paperclip icon next to a message field here, and by selecting, where is it? Here, drawing. Select it, and after that you will see that small drawing panel here. So here you may select, for instance, your pencil, like that one, that one. It's in Polish for me guys, but it will be in English for you. So simply select your preferred pencil, and after that you may also, for instance, rotate, crop your image, and so on and so forth. So simply start drawing with your hand, just like that. So let me add another smiley, left eye, right eye, nose, cheeks, and so on and so forth, maybe some hair. So that's it guys. So you can, for example, draw by hand, and if you, for example, click into this button here, this message will be sent as a one-time view message and deleted afterwards, so that your recipients of the given message won't be able to save this image on their device. So that's basically it. Once you're content with your result guys, or not content, you may, for example, delete it, or click into this button here to attach as a document, or click into this button here to send your image. And there you go. As you can see, it's a one-time photo, and I can see it right now because I selected view once. But if you don't use that option guys, let me show it to you without using the view once option. So again, draw, the image will be sent to your group members like that, so that they can, for example, right click into it and save it and download it. That's why that view once feature here has been designed for. So that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.